Hi everyone, in this video let's discover how I'm transforming my Udemy course with powerful video techniques to dramatically improve its quality. We will cover and learn practical ways to enhance your Udemy courses and make your content stand out from other instructors. Many instructors face the challenges of creating high quality video content that truly engages their students. Poor quality video, whether from inadequate lighting, low quality cameras, or just basic editing, can distract students and hurt their focus. While sharing knowledge is important, a dull delivery can quickly lose your students' interest. Audio quality matters just as much as video. Poor sound can make your course seem unprofessional, and many instructors also struggle with consistency, producing videos that vary in style and quality. So let's go on then to explore practical ways that we can improve our video production. The first one is to light your face. Yes, good lighting makes a huge difference. Don't just turn on the ceiling light and hope for the best. Grab a basic ring light or even set up in front of a window. Your face should be evenly lit, no harsh shadows, no super bright spots. You'll look a lot more professional even with a basic webcam. You don't need expensive equipment, as a well-placed natural light source or basic lighting kit can work perfectly. Try also to create a consistent style to guide your fonts, your colours and your graphics to give your course that professional look. Also, use a decent microphone. Sound can be more important than the video itself. Honestly, people will forgive less than perfect video, but they'll quit if your audio sounds really bad. I always use a microphone like Blue Snowball or Fifine K669. They can make your voice sound rich, clear and trustworthy. You could also try to record in a small carpeted room if you can cut down the echo. Set your camera at eye level. No one wants to look up your nose or stare at the top of your head. So if you need to, prop up your webcam or laptop so that the lens is right at your eye level. It feels way more natural, like a real conversation. Make sure you record at 1080p as a minimum. Even if you're not fancy with 4K, always set your camera or screen recorder to 1080p, full HD. Blurry, low-res video screams low effort and low quality. Most free tools like OBS, Loom or ScreenFlow will let you control the resolution, but double check it before you hit the record button. Keep your background clean and simple. You don't need a Hollywood perfect setup, but at least clear the clutter. A blank wall, like myself, or a neat bookshelf, or a simple plant in the background works wonders. Avoid messy desks, laundry piles, or distracting posters, because they can steal the attention from your course content. If possible, use a green screen background, as this always allows you then to impose different backgrounds for different shots. Investing time in video production leads to happier students and better course ratings, which then drives more sales. Quality videos show students the value they're learning, that you value their learning experiences and encourage positive reviews and referrals. This attention to quality helps build you a loyal following of students eager to take your future courses. Many instructors see significant sales increases after improving their video quality. So remember, better video quality not only enriches your content, but builds your reputation as an Udemy instructor. If these tips have helped you, please explore my other videos on my channel for more online course creation insights, and don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.